In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters right off the bat when creating a trigger. So we're going to go ahead and create a new Zap by clicking on Create New Zap. And then I'm going to go ahead and select our system from the apps over here. All right. And then I want to go ahead and choose my trigger event. And I'm just going to go ahead and look for something like a tag being assigned. So there we go, tag assigned. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. All right, then I can go ahead and add a filter right here, right off the bat. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a filter, and here I'd be able to filter the specific tags that I have within the system. Now I've only got that one tag, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one tag. But this is how you can start filtering those trigger actions right off the bat. You can then go ahead and continue and test this trigger. So you can go ahead and test it, and it will return that information for you. But that is how you can start filtering your trigger actions right off the bat using triggers within Zapier. So now that you've completed the Zapier training, you know everything that you need to know about setting up basic Zaps to automate specific functions, moving information from the system to external apps and from external apps into the system. So congratulations on completing this training.